Martin Walsh from Major. I just want to talk to you today about an upgrade we've made on our Swift range of mowers, also on the Contouras and TDRs. And this upgrade will be standard on all the Swifts from 4 metre right up through the range, all the Contouras and all the TDR machines. So what we've changed is our roller ends. So it looks very similar to the older one. The older one had a grease nipple here though, and it was lubricated with grease. What we've done is we've changed it, and now it's a cassette seal that's here at the front to keep it oil tight, and another seal here at the back, and you've got a little oil plug here, so they're actually filled up with oil to lubricate the bearings instead of grease. So this works its way through the bearings much better, keeps them much cooler, especially for operators or they're doing long hours and in hot weather and everything. This will keep the bearings much cooler, longer life and a lot less maintenance. That's standard for all machines from 4 metre Swift right up through the range, all of the Contouras and all of the TDR machines. And the best thing is it's also available if you're repairing your old type roller ends. These will fit in place of them and give you a much longer life and much less maintenance. If you need any more details, please contact your local Major dealer or contact us at www.majorequipment.com.